Hello friends, warm greetings from Eglavi Academy. I am happy to inform you that I published the book on Amazon for the NTA NET Paper 1. The title of the book is NTA UGC NET Practice Workbook Paper 1. This book consists of 50 practice papers with uniquely framed questions. This will be very helpful for the NET aspirants for facing the upcoming NET exam very confidently. I request you all to share this information with your contacts. Interested people can read the book freely or buy the book at Amazon. The link for the Amazon is given in the description box. Kindly refer it. Today we are going to see the next 5 important questions in research aptitude. A tool which find out who is reading what you are reading. ResearchGate, Figshare, Site You Like, Academic. The right answer is Site You Like. Question 2. A range of non-traditional metrics that can be used to access the impact that the scholars have on research in their areas of study. Bibliometrics, altmetrics, agent factor, impact factor. The right answer is altmetrics. Then the third question. Identify which of the following is not altmetrics. ResearchGate, LinkedIn, Figshare, Academia. The right answer is LinkedIn. Some of the altmetric tools are ResearchGate, Academia, Public Library of Science, Peer Evaluation, Research Scorecard, Site You Like, Figshare, Paper Critic. These are the examples for altmetric tools. Question 4. What is deemed a good measure of the quality of journal? Intake factor, influence factor, opaque factor, impact factor. The right answer is impact factor. What is impact factor? It is the measure of the frequency which the average article in a journal has been cited in a particular year. Question 5. In the context of research, DOI stands for Division of Instruction, Divided Object Identifier, Digital Object Identifier, Division of Identifier. The right answer is Digital Object Identifier. A digital object identifier is a unique and permanent string of letters and numbers representing the article that will take. Thank you friends. If you like my videos, please like, share and comment. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe it. For further updates, you can join in the Telegram group. The link for the Telegram group is provided in the video as well as in the description box. Kindly refer it. Once again, thank you all.